जय भोलेनाथ दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि SISL में हम लोग क्रिकेट प्रीमियर लीग 2024 खेलने चित्रकूट मैदान अंधेरी वेस्ट में हमने खेला। पहला मैच में पुश कर चुका हूं। दूसरा लीग का दूसरा मैच है जो ऑर्किड ऑर्बिटर्स वर्सेस सोरिंग सीगल के साथ था। ये वीडियो भी देखिए। फर्स्ट इनिंग में ऑर्किड ऑर्बिटर्स ने बैटिंग किया और सेकेंड इनिंग में सोरिंग सीगल। ऑर्किड ऑर्बिटर्स के जो ऑनर हैं श्री प्रकाश पांडे, कैप्टन अक्षय चोटावा और मैं सतीश पांडे भी एक पार्ट में था। ये ऑर्किड ऑर्बिटर्स की टीम में मैं भी एक मेंबर था। दूसरा टीम जो है सोरिंग सीगल है, उसके ऑनर है वरेन सर और कैप्टन है विधि। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा रोमांचक मैच रहा। आप इसका कमेंट्री देख सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट सुन सकते हैं, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा अपना वॉइस इसमें नहीं डाल रहा हूँ। आप कमेंट करके बताइए कैसा था मैच, कैसा हमने फील्डिंग किया, बैटिंग किया। आप आनंद लीजिए मैच का। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो व्यू कीजिए, लाइक शेयर कीजिए ताकि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो पोस्ट कर सकें। थैंक यू। बहुत बढ़िया कमेंट्री, जैसा कि हम क्रिकेट के इंडियन क्रिकेट या भी कोई और क्रिकेट होता है, इसमें हम कमेंट्री सुनते हैं, उससे बहुत अच्छा कमेंट्री मिस्टर सिडनी लोगो साहब ने इस मैच के दौरान किया, जो आप सुन सकते हैं और सुन के आनंद ले सकते हैं।
Lovely shot by Orancio. Let's see what Mayank can do this time. Mayank bowls. Orancio hits the ball up, but it's out of the ground. He's out. Orancio is out. Orancio feels it hits the bar. Umpires are in discussion. That's an appeal. And he's out. A very close decision. Orancio felt it hit the bar, but the umpire said no, that was out and above. So Orancio is out. A very important wicket to the Seagulls. So two main wickets of the Orchid Orbiters, that's Anuj Trivedi and Orancio, back in the hut. So now we have Joel coming to crease right now with the Orchid Orbiters 2 down for a very few. The Orchids are 2 down for 11, second over, and here comes Mayank again. Mayank bowls, nice high ball, well played, just for a single. Akshay. Let's see what he does. He swings the ball hard, and Mayank, very good fielding of his own bowling, breaks the stumps, but Joel is in his crease. No run. Very good cricket all round. The Seven Islands Champion League is hitting crescendo now. Mayank is going to bowl now. Let's see what Akshay does this ball. Mayank on his run up. Bowls. Akshay swings, and that's a catch. Well tried by Vidhi. A very good attempt by Vidhi for the catch. And she definitely saved a couple of runs. Joyal. Let's see what he does. Very good over by Mayank. Mayank bowls. Joyal swings. That's a catch! That's a catch! wickets down now. We've got Akshay, the last recognized batsman, on the crease, and Dilip. Let's see how Akshay can turn this match around now. That's a high ball, declared a no ball and wide both by leg umpire and the umpire, or the crease umpire. He'll have to re-bowl this one. Ball, then Akshay swings. Oh, that was a catch. A difficult catch, but well-fielded boundary. Sahil back to his run-up and bowls to Dilip. Dilip swings the ball hard, but well-fielded boundary line. Very well-fielded boundary line. Sahil to Akshay. Sahil bowls. Akshay hits the ball. It's a cotton ball chance, but he missed it. And the both are stranded. They're going to get 2 runs. No, just a single. That was a big mix-up and a run-out chance missed by the Seagulls. Looked to be a very good team. Now it's Sahil to Dilip. Let's see what Dilip can do now. Sahil bowls. Dilip swings. That's a no ball declared by the leg umpire for height. So Sahil will have to re-bowl this one. Sahil to Dilip. Sahil bowls again. That's a wide declared by the umpire. Orchid Orbiters are 19 runs. 1-9. Sahil bowls. That's a no ball declared by leg umpire. So that's 1 run and 1 extra of no ball. That's a long over by Sahil. Akshay is rotating the strike. Dilip is supporting well. That's a wide ball declared by the umpire. Too many wides in this over. Sahil. Sahil now back to his mark. Bowls a legal ball. And that's a 6 by Akshay on the back. Again a shot, a no ball. So that's 1 run and 1 extra for the no ball. That was a beautiful 6 hit by Akshay, the previous ball, I must say. Sahil balls again now. And Dilip. One ball to go. Sahil bowls. Dilip swings for 1 run. Three overs, 31. Let's hear a big hand. Come on, guys, for the Orchid Orbiters. They're doing pretty well. Akshay Chota is playing pretty well. And in support, it's Dilip giving good support. Now we have Vidhi Mistry, the captain. Vidhi balls now to Dilip. Let's see what Dilip can do. Dilip cuts, looks for a single, but very well fielded by keeper Ashwin. Let's see if Vidhi can keep Dilip quiet or Dilip hits a big. Vidhi bowls. Dilip swings and he's bowled him. Very well bowled by Vidhi. And we have Sanjay Gomes now to bat. Sanjay Gomes has got VAT behind his t-shirt. So I don't know what does that stand for. Okay, that's value added. That's what the keeper says. Okay, so Sanjay Gomes on strike and Vidhi to bowl to him. He's known for his big hitting. So let's see what he can do here. Vidhi takes ball to Sanjay. That's nicely played on the leg side by Sanjay and steals a single. Back to his captain Akshay. He's giving good stand. Vidhi balls to Akshay. Akshay gets beaten. Akshay gets beaten and the keeper collects the ball. The umpire just straightened the stumps. The stumps have gone out of the way. And now we have Vidhi to bowl to Akshay. Let's see what Akshay can do on this ball. Vidhi bowls. Akshay plays it very defensively with the fielder and there's no run. So there's a lot of respect for Vidhi's bowling. There's a lot of defensive play. Let's see what Akshay does now. Vidhi bowls. And that's a deflection. Is it off the pad? Oh, no, yeah, it was the pad, so no run. 4 overs, 32 runs. Orchid Orbiters. They have stepped on the pedal. There were hardly a few 10, 12 runs after 2 overs. But 4 overs, 32 runs. So let's see what they can do in the last 2 overs. We have another good leg spinner for Seagull called Harshal, who's going to bowl to Sanjay Gomes. Sanjay takes strike. Harshal comes. Harshal bowls. Sanjay swings and he's bowled him. S.V. Ashwin, wherever you are, please report here back. S.V. Ashwin, please report here behind. Thank you. Let's see what Harshal got here. Now it's leg spinner Amit Shah. Plays it defensively for a single, very comfortable single. So he's giving 1 strike to Akshay Chauta, who can hit the ball big. That's very good playing by the Orchid Orbiters. Akshay hits it. And he's gone. It was a no ball, so he's not out. And they get an extra ball too. Good ball, and that's a very good fielding by Mayank. Harshal bowls again. Big shot there, that's a 6. Fantastic 6. Shot, that's a very good shot. An announcement, lunch will be served in starting after 5 minutes. The lunch will be starting after 5 minutes. I repeat, well bowled, well played, and is that a stumping? Umpire says no. Appeal by Ashwin, appeal by Mayank, but the umpire goes against it. Lunch will be ready in 5 minutes, so this is going to be a last over. So the last over is going to be bowled by Ashwin. Seagulls have saved the best for the last, I can see. It's going to be a good Akshay versus Ashwin. Ashwin bowls, he stops. I think the batsman was ready. Ashwin to Akshay. Let's see what happens last over here. Ashwin bowls. He swings, and that's well fielded. Very well fielded by Daria. That's ball is going to be run out. No, the batsman, Mr. Praveen, one way crosses. Here's a good ball, and that's a shot by Akshay. But now Praveen, one way is on strike. Let's see what Mr. Praveen can do here. Akshay bowls. That's Vidhi just catches. It's going to be out, but he's reached. They're going for another one. No, they don't go for the overthrow. Just 1 run. It's Ashwin to Akshay now. Ashwin bowls. That's a shot. That's a 6. It's 51 for the Orchid Orbiters. Very few balls to go. 51. The Orchid Orbiters already scored 51 now. We have Shweta Ahire, the next batswoman who's going to come to bat. We have Shweta at the crease now. 51 to the Orchid orbiter. Let's see how much she can add to the score. It's Ashwin to Shweta. Ashwin bowls, Shweta swings the ball beautifully and she gets a single but 2 runs to her. So she's got 2 runs to the kitty. It's 53 now. Ashwin to good shot there by Praveen. And it's out. The ball has kissed the stumps. Do we have any wickets left? That's the end of the innings. And now the Seagulls have 54 to win in their 6 overs. This is going to be a very interesting reply by the Soaring Seagulls. Check test. Here's Gomes. Mayank takes it to the next side. Is that an appeal? That's a wide declared by the umpire. Sanjay Gomes starts with the wide. Let's see how we can do in the second ball. He'll have to re-bowl that one. Mayank on strike. Gomes bowls. Mayank swacks the ball and gets a single. Well fielded by Joel. Ball back to Sanjay. Now we have Praful on strike. Sanjay bowls. That's a good shot. Could be a 6. Yes, it is. Now it's Sanjay back to Mayank. The off spinner. Mayank winds up and plays it defensively, but they steal a single. Joel fields the ball and gives the ball to Sanjay. Let's see what Praful can do with this now. Sanjay bowls an off spinner. Praful winds up, hits the ball high, and that's a 6. Sanjay bowls again. And Praful cuts the ball. Very well played by Praful. A nice square cut. That's the end of the first over. What's the score, guys? Score. Let's see who gets the balls in the second over. Orchid still debating. Maybe Anuj or Akshay, I think so, is the captain going for the over. So we have Akshay with the ball, right arm, under, around the wicket. Praful swings, and that's a very, very comfortable single. Ball back to Akshay, Mayank on strike. Mayank bowls. That's a no ball declared by the leg umpire. It was clearly before the line. Akshay will have to re-bowl that one. Akshay now to Praful. Praful swings hard. Is that a declared? Yes, that's one declared. Praful will have to bat again. Seagull are rotating the strike. They look to be well on course for the target. Akshay bowls. That's a good shot and fielded by Shweta. Now we have Akshay again bowling to Mayank. I've been told Mayank is the captain of the sports club of Kandavali. And now here's Akshay. Bowls it. Well taken by Satish. Satish fumbles to be a run out. It isn't a run out. Thanks. Now we have Akshay with the ball again. It's a very tough match. He swings. Hit on the offside, but just a single. Well fielded by Orancio. Now let's see what Mayank does with this ball. Akshay to Mayank. Akshay bowls. And that beats him. The keeper didn't see the ball. It really clearly beat Mayank. We have Anuj now with the ball. Anuj to Praful. Let's see what Anuj does. Third over of the innings. Anuj balls. That's a very high ball. Declared a no ball by the umpire. So Anuj will have to, it's a free hit. So Praful can go for a shot now and not get out. It's a free hit. The ball was very high and declared a no ball. Praful swings. Orancho gets under the ball, but he's not out. And that's out. He was out of the crease. Praful's out. That's a wicket of a free hit. But you can get run out. So he's run out of free hit. That's bad luck to Praful, who's very upset with himself. And now we have Anuj bowling to Mayank. Let's see who bats now for that's the star player, Dhairya, coming in. Now Dhairya can hit the ball a long way. He's one of the main batsmen for Seagull. He can hit the ball a long way. So now we have two very good strikers on the crease, Mayank and Dhairya. Dhairya giving some words of advice to Mayank to stay there until the end. That's a shot, but it's a cut behind. That's one declared. That's one declared. Dhairya calming things down. And Anuj bowls on. Mayank swings the ball, he misses, and Praveen kicks. Is it a catch? No, there's no appeal from there. But he was definitely beaten by this leg spinner from Anuj. Anuj bowls again. That's a swing. Is that a catch? He's gone. Mayank is out. So we have Mayank out. We have Yatish at the crease now. Yatish apparently is a good footballer also. And he can hit the ball a long way too in cricket. So we have a lot of fans of Yatish here. Yatish now to Anuj. Anuj bowls to Yatish. Yatish swings the ball and he's gone. Yatish also gone. Dhairya is running short of partners. So let's see if Dhairya can take the match in his own hands now. We have Anuj on a hat-trick now. Let's see if Anuj can get this. It will be the first hat-trick of SISL. Anuj, you're on a hat-trick. Anuj! The Soaring Seagulls are running out of partners to support their star batsman Dhairya. So we have now another star batsman, Ashwin, coming in. So this is a very, very good pair. A very important pair for the Orchid Orbiters. So they get one out and they have the game in their hands. So now, conversely, if these play well, they can take the game away from the Orchid Orbiters. So ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand. There's a tough match going on. Come on guys, give them a big hand. It's going to be a very tough fight now. Anuj to Ashwin. Ashwin, a star batsman, comes and plays defensively. He knows the score is yet to be got, so he's playing very sensibly with Dhairya. That's the end of the over. Anuj misses his hat-trick, but anyway, well bowled. He got 2 wickets in 2 balls. So very well bowled by Anuj. And now we have another star bowler, Orancio, coming in to bowl to Ashwin. Let's see what Orancio does. He's a good off spinner. Orancio bowls. Ashwin goes back. Hits it back. Misses by Dilip, but just 1 run. Dilip apologizes. And now it's back to Ashwin. Orancio hits the ball hard. And that's only 1 run. 1 run by Dhairya. Dhairya is playing a very safe game. He doesn't want the ball to go high and get out. Now Ashwin. Ashwin hits the ball high. And he's gone. Orancio is having a great time, a golden era, having wickets and batsmen hitting 25 runs. Orancio is having a swell tournament, getting wickets. Now the Seagulls are running out of partners. Now we have the captain coming in, Vidhi Mistry. And Dhairya giving advice right from the pavilion. Right side, she's coming now to bat on the crease. It's going to be a very keen contest now, Orancio to Vidhi. Vidhi is known for a batting and a bowling. And remember, every run she gets is going to be a double. So it's time for bonus runs. Orancio to Vidhi. Vidhi takes a stance. Orancio bowls. Vidhi goes to the back foot. Hits the ball. But no run as it didn't make contact with the bat. Orancio. Again. Bowls the off spinner. Vidhi hits the ball in the gap and grabs a single. In fact, she gets 2 runs. So 2 runs to Vidhi. Dhairya on strike now. To Orancio. Orancio bowls to Dhairya. Dhairya swings the ball hard. And he's gone. Dhairya gone to... Is that the end of the innings? Or how many batsmen to come more? Which overs we're on? 4th over, 20 more to get for the Soaring Seagulls. That's Vidhi on strike and Shweta come to bowl to her. 20 more runs to get. There seems to be some confusion with the Orchid Orbiters. So 2 overs to go, 20 runs to get. It's Shweta to Vidhi. Shweta bowls and Vidhi takes a single. Just a single because the rule says if a lady bowls to a lady, it's just the same runs as she gets. So now Shweta will bowl to the batsman. Shweta bowls. He swings. That's a wide. So they get 1 more run to the total, the Seagulls. Shweta bowls again. That's a good ball. It's hit hard but no run. Satish fields the ball. Satish fumbles. And a good fielding by Satish. Satish Pandey, renowned for his fantastic fielding, fields the ball very well. Wonderfully picked up the ball by Satish. Very well done. Shweta now. Back. Vidhi waits the ball. Hits the ball. It's 1 declared. A dead ball? That's a dead ball declared by the umpire. No score, no run, no ball. Come on. Shweta to Vidhi now. This is very tough competition. Vidhi comes. And the ball. Again dead ball. Now Vidhi. Shweta. This is a very keen contest between Vidhi and Shweta now. Shweta bowls. And Vidhi hits the ball. Gets 1 declared. So Vidhi gets two runs, I think. 1. Just 1 run. Now Shweta again. To Vidhi. Vidhi swings. It's up in the air. It could be cut. But no run. All the Orchid fielders just crowding together.
सेकेंड इनिंग में सीगल शोरिंग सीगल बैटिंग कर रहा है और ऑर्किड ऑर्बिटर्स जो हमारी टीम है हम लोग फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं। और 54 रन का हमने टारगेट सेट किया था, जो कि सोरिंग सीगल ने नहीं कर पाए। और आप देखेंगे इस तरह से हम लोग इस मैच पे जीत हासिल किया हमने। बहुत टॉप मैच था, जो कि अंत तक रोमांचक से भरपूर था और हर एक टीम में एक लेडी को, एक वुमेन क्रिकेटर को खेलना अनिवार्य था। तो आपको कैसा लगा हमारा वीडियो आप देखिए और ज़रूर इस पे कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को व्यू कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा व्यू कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। So I can say कि this is a proud moment for me. I have never played cricket and played cricket here. और finally we won the match. और इस मैच के मैन ऑफ द मैच जो है सीधे अक्षय चोटवा जी हुए। जिनको मैन ऑफ द मैच की जो ट्रॉफी है मिस्टर सिडनी लोबो सर के हाथों उनको अवार्ड दिया गया, मैन ऑफ द मैच अक्षय चोटवा। और ये देखिए हम लोग डांस करते हुए फील्ड पे जीत का जश्न मनाते हुए। तो दोस्तों आपसे मेरी आग्रह रहेगी कि आप मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, व्यू कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, ताकि हमारे को इनकरेजमेंट मिले और मैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो यहाँ पोस्ट कर सकूँ। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। और ये देखिए जो मैंने बोला, सिडनी लोबो साहब ने मैन ऑफ द मैच का खिताब अक्षय चोटवा को दिया। और इसके साथ ही अपना दूसरा मैच हम लोगों ने जीता। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, थैंक यू वेरी मच।